Welcome to this video. My name is Samuel and I'm going to talk about brain training for dogs. From now on I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this online training course, which is being well known on the internet and claims to teach you how to train your dog from the comfort of your own home. It comes with 2 ebooks, 21 quick activities presented in videos and a selection of over 100 articles authored by Adrienne Farricelli, the course instructor. If you're thinking of buying brain training for dogs, I'd advise watching this short video before making any decisions. I would also like to warn you about this course and especially explain to you if brain training for dogs works. I am in this video to give you exclusive information that I believe everyone should know before buying the supplement and starting to use it. So please pay attention to what I have to say. Brain Training for Dogs is an individualized online course that will teach you how to train your dog from the comfort of your own home. It comes with 2 ebooks, 21 quick activities presented in videos and a selection of over 100 articles authored by Adrienne Farricelli, the course instructor. The plan is to gradually progress through the course in the main ebook, finishing each step with your dog. You can choose which exercises to add once your dog has mastered the basic exercises. The book can be read all the way through if you want to learn more challenging dog training games. If you have specific concerns about your dog's behavior, such as jumping or whining, you can go to the second ebook, Behavior Training for Dogs. This one contains comprehensive training methods for each of these behavioral patterns. In addition, some videos accompany the book, offering quick and accurate tests to work on with your dog. The main course material, which you mainly use as a resource, is the Brain Training for Dogs course. Although lengthy, each stage of the training is broken down into manageable parts so you can complete it one level at a time. The activities in these parts are organized with bookmarks, lists, and images to make them simple to understand and do at home. This is a great course for dog owners who want to get involved in training their dogs and who enjoy spending time with them playing. It can be useful for dog owners who have puppies, untrained or unruly dogs, uncontrollably violent dogs, and their owners. The activities are relatively brief, but it may take a few tries for your dog to understand what you are asking. When they have mastered a skill, you can move on to the next one while occasionally returning to previous skills for refreshers. Once you've successfully trained your dog, the thought is that you'll feel much more in charge and secure when dealing with their behavior. If you want to find out more about brain training for dogs, visit the official website. The link is in the description of this video. By purchasing Brain Training for Dogs, you also get a big discount. I hope from the bottom of my heart that this video has helped. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments. See you later.